Looking for the best backup camera for your vehicle? This video will help you choose the right one for your budget, and show you where you can find it at the best price today. Number 1. DoHonest V25 Wireless Backup Camera. The DoHonest V25 Wireless Backup Camera has all the high-quality features you could ask for in a backup camera. This model uses a wireless design for easier installation. There's a transmitter built into the wireless camera that you place at the rear of your vehicle, which sends images to the 5-inch HD LCD screen included in the sale. The 6-glass lens on the camera and updated chip ensure clear imaging. The lenses are 150-degree wide angle, giving you one of the widest fields of view on the market. Night vision capabilities are of top quality as well. This model features an IP69 waterproof rating and can withstand temperatures up to 149 degrees Fahrenheit. When reversing, guidelines will help you back into your space with greater precision. These guidelines can be adjusted to suit vehicles of just about every shape and size. The 2-year warranty is a nice added benefit, especially since there have been reports of occasional reliability issues while underway. Also, this unit isn't meant to be used with larger vehicles and trailers. Number 2. eRapta ERT01 Backup Camera. The eRapta ERT01 Backup Camera is the perfect option if you want a high-quality, well-performing backup camera that won't break the bank. The camera has a 149-degree viewing angle and comes with 8 LED lights for basic night vision. It fits on the top edge of most license plates, fastening down with the same screws that hold the plate/frame. While it lacks the advanced features of more expensive options, it gets the job done with a clear image and basic backup lines in the video output. This unit features a decently sized 1080p HD monitor for clear imaging. Installation is a bit difficult with this camera. While mounting is easy, getting it connected to the power supply and monitor requires routing wires around the vehicle to the right spot. Professional installation may be required for the best results. This product also loses some love for not having the best customer service reputation. Number 3. LIKULO LK3 HD 1080p Backup Camera. The LIKULO LK3 HD 1080p backup camera comes very close to taking the best overall award, and it's not hard to see why. Unfortunately, the one thing that holds this model back is that it's a wired camera system. So, both the monitor and camera need to be connected by a 4-pin connector before you can use the system. If you can get past this relatively minor inconvenience, then there's no reason not to choose this model. You'll be able to see vivid images via the 4.3-inch HD LCD monitor. The monitor is equipped with a magnetic bracket, so you can rotate it 360 degrees to find the best viewing angle. The upgraded 6-glass lens also contributes to the crystal clear image you see on the monitor. This model has been upgraded to IP69 waterproof, so you'll be able to use it in any weather conditions. It's hard to believe this model's price point, especially when you consider that it comes with a 2-year warranty. Number 4. LIKULO LK5 Wireless Backup Camera. The LIKULO LK5 Wireless Backup Camera is perfect for people who drive RVs or carry large trailers. This wireless camera system features a signal that can reach up to 450 feet in an open area and 270 feet in vehicles. Although this system is made for large vehicles, it's still easy to install. All you need to do to set up this system is connect the camera to the taillights and connect the monitor to a power source in the cabin. The 7-inch split-screen monitor can handle up to 4 wireless backup cameras. The operator can choose between viewing multiple camera angles in split-screen mode or one angle in single-screen mode. This IP69K all-metal camera is waterproof and can withstand extremely high and low temperatures. This camera uses a new high-definition chip that improves image definition. Even at night, you'll be able to see clearly as this model uses 18 infrared lights, which improve the brightness of the image in low-light conditions. Although this is one of the more expensive cameras on the list, it comes with a 2-year warranty so you can buy with confidence. Number 5. Shoredaw Dash Cam Front and Rear. The Shoredaw Dash Cam front and rear is ideal for someone who needs both a front-facing dash camera and a backup camera. The front camera records in 1080p, so you can rest assured that you'll capture everything clearly, including license plates and road signs. The front camera uses a 170-degree lens and the rear camera uses a 130-degree lens, so you won't have many blind spots. As soon as you engage your vehicle's reverse gear, the backup camera will send an image to this system's monitor. This camera can only support micro SD cards up to 32 gigabytes. Once full, the system uses loop recording technology to overwrite the old footage with new content. A variable sensitivity G-sensor automatically detects a sudden collision and immediately saves the relevant footage, locking it to an SOS file. Any impact with your car will automatically power on the dashcam and set it to record. You can attach the dashcam to any area of your windshield in seconds via the suction mount. When you want to start using it, just insert an SD card, not included, and connect the camera to a power supply. This camera loses some love because the automatic recording feature won't activate if the SD is full. Number 6. LIKULO Wireless Backup Camera. If you often have a hard time seeing what's behind you in poor weather, then pick up the LIKULO Wireless Backup Camera for trucks. You can power this wireless backup camera from the reverse lights on your vehicle. 8 LED lights surround the camera, so you'll be able to easily see what's happening behind you even during bad weather at night. The camera is IP69 waterproof, so it functions reliably in harsh weather. The 4.3-inch monitor is full of useful features to make your everyday driving experience better. There's a gridline DIY setting, and you can adjust the brightness, contrast, chroma, etc. This monitor has 2 channels, so it can accommodate another camera somewhere else on the vehicle. The wireless real-time video transmission is about 30 feet when being used in a vehicle, so it's not suitable for large vehicles such as buses. If you encounter any problems with the system within the first 2 years, then you can get a refund, as this model has a 2-year warranty.